Hi, my name is Smith-Jenkins and I am in the middle of packing for my 6th cruise ship contract. Yes, I've done this 5 times before already. You'd think it'd be easier, but it is not. However, I have developed sort of a strategy of how to pack, how best to pack for your cruise ship contract, and I wanted to share that information with you guys. It's a 5-step process, super easy, and this is it. Okay. Step 1, categorize. Step 2, gather. Step 3, cut. Step 4, cut. And step 5, assemble. I'm currently in the cut phase, if you cannot tell, and I'm slowly going insane. I already feel way in over my head. I have so many things I want to pack, but I don't know if I'm gonna have space for them. So yeah, so far I've categorized things on the bed. Got several pairs of pants, t-shirts. I'll probably whittle a few of these down. Basics, leggings, sports bras, basic tops that have built-in bras, my go-to pair of sweats that will be my crew mess uniform, and then a couple scarves as well because we will be going to Istanbul, other places in Turkey that will require me to sometimes keep my head covered depending on what buildings I go inside of, and also because I'm, if you haven't noticed, pale as heck, and I like to keep my shoulders covered because I will get a sunburn. And the dress that I wear on board in the show that I do is pink. So if I'm sunburned, I just look like a big tomato on stage, which is not cute. Yeah, let's evaluate what we want to bring. I think it's time for a fashion show. Well, that was fun, but now I actually have to clean it. I've also been doing a lot of restocking of things that I need on Amazon, and I just got a package and I have no idea what this one is, so we're gonna open it. Yes, okay, I'm so excited about this. I've never used this. This is a perfect segue for what I'm gonna just call gear. So for me, gear as a singer and a performer is portable humidifiers, vocal nebulizer, toe stretchers because I'm wearing heels all the time, stuff to decorate your cabin. Yeah, so this, it looks a little, kind of looks naughty. Oh my gosh. It really does. It looks inappropriate, but it's, this is a portable humidifier. The air on the cruise ship gets really, really dry for me. And so this, you're supposed to be able to stick it into a water bottle and it shoots into the air. I kind of want to go try it out. It works. Amazing. That's exactly what I needed. We're now going to do something that I've done before every single contract I've ever done, and it has always been super useful. I'm always glad I do it. And that is to make, my first aid kit. I went to the grocery store and I got even more goodies. Literally, this is the life-changing thing. If there's anything to take away from this video, it's to do this. This will be the best thing you do for your contract. It is a little pricey because all of these medicines aren't super cheap, especially if you buy them all at once, but better to have them and not need them than to need them and not have them. So here's what I do, because obviously it would be a huge pain to just try and put all of these in your luggage bag. I take little Ziploc baggies and I cut the part of the box that has the instructions, and then I put them in the Ziploc baggie and I label them. And that way I hold a lot more and you don't have to take up a whole lot of space. And then also this little kit I just got one of these from Target and I really like it. I like that it's not hard and not super rigid. It's actually kind of soft. It reminds me of a Bible cover, honestly. But yeah, and it's got little pockets for Band-Aids and stuff, so Yeah, because I walk around a lot, I always try and pack blister guards. Also really good to have if you're a dancer and you're gonna be wearing new shoes for the first time. I've never actually had to use this, but you know, just in case, I've got motion sickness Dramamine with ginger. These are actually just ginger chews. This is a new purchase this year. Some nasal strips. I've got some numbing throat spray, which I only ever use. I know if you're a singer, you're not supposed to use this. I really only ever use it at night if my throat is really killing me. I know not to sing with it. Honey throat spray, anti-itch cream, because you know, mosquitoes. Boom, baby. She is packed this year. So another thing I would definitely recommend bringing with you is some sort of a folder to keep all the paperwork that you need to bring with you. So I've got already in mine my medical, my vaccination cards, old pay stubs from my last contract just in case I wanted to like compare and contrast how I'm spending my money, prior training certificates. And then I'm also putting little things in here that I know I want to hang up in my cabin, like artwork and stuff like that. But I definitely keep a folder like this so that you have room to put all of the paperwork that they're going to give you, especially on that first day. This is stuff that I removed from this folder that was given to me last year. One thing that you really, really want to make sure you do is when you're packing and you get this all put together, put it in your carry-on. Better yet, put it in your personal item on the airplane. You do not want this to get lost. If this gets lost, you're in some serious trouble. Guard it with your life and never let it lose your sight. Yeah. We are basically to the point of assembly now. This is the first time I've ever used packing cubes, and so far I'm really digging them. In this bag we have mainly all of like my hanging clothes, a couple medicinal items like my first aid kit, my vocal nebulizer, all of that is in there. And then all of the dresses that I'll probably be wearing for Broadway Unplugged, including some other like natural linen and cotton clothing that I will likely wear out in port and around the ship. And then I also went ahead and put these shoes in here because they are like really lightweight. I just got them from Belk. I've also put my black blazer and my jacket that I don't really anticipate needing to wear, but you know, just in case, I have my light jacket. Okay, so in this big bag, all of the things I gathered and started putting into packing cubes, they're categorized differently. So here's some bathing suits, a pair of pajamas, and 2 scarves. This is all my t-shirts that I will likely wear, basic tops that will go on, like layering tops. This is all of my workout pants and workout tops all in one. I'm bringing 2 sweatshirts with me because I tend to wear sweatshirts just lounging around in like the crew mess and in crew areas. Socks, bras, and underwear, all of my pants. I have 1 pair of black sweatpants, a pair of just like fun pants, 2 pairs of linen pants, 1 pair is blue, 1 pair is like a khaki color. Then I have 1 pair of blue jeans, 1 pair of white jeans, and 2 pairs of shorts. One are these really cute like striped shorts, and then the other is a pair of denim Levi shorts. I've managed to put the majority of my toiletries actually in this bag. I did forget this, but it'll still fit in there. I'll show you. So like literally everything. I've got sunscreen. I consolidated some like moisturizers into these smaller travel size ones because I was already running so low on them. Micellar water, toothpaste, Stay Lauder, moisturizer, you know, it's all gonna zip up easy. Bada bing, bada boom. If it will fit, I really want to bring my makeup mirror, this guy. It's awesome because it disassembles. You can slide in on the side. Hey Kurt! Stop it.
What do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be like 40 something.
Yeah, that's over 40. My guess is 44. 47.
Okay.
That, you can't put anything else in there.
That's great. 40. I'm putting everything in this foldable backpack. I love this thing. It doesn't take up like hardly any space. I've already got some of the electronics that I use every single day. My iPad's already in there. I keep all of my like chargers and stuff in this little pencil bag. My folder with all of my important paperwork definitely going in my backpack. In years prior, I have taken this gigantic camera bag. However, it's staying home. It takes great photos and I love it, but this is just too big. Obviously, I'm getting more into video as a form of expression, so I invested in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is what I'm recording with right now. And this is the little pouch that you carry around. And it also has a microphone and a little teeny tiny tripod thing. And so this is great. My purse, ow. Purse will end up going in here, obviously. Cheapy headphones. My blue light blocking glasses will go in here. And yeah, that's it. Also in my carry-on, I've got my little jewelry organizer. So I've got a couple different studs and necklaces and stuff. I've definitely brought way too much jewelry on a cruise ship before, and I like never wear half of it. So this is one thing that I've challenged myself to pack a little bit lighter. Some feminine feminine products. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna use them to stuff in my boots. Got some cabin things. This little light that I got from Temu for like $6 and it makes the Aurora Borealis. It's really fun, so I'm just gonna stick that in here. That's it, my friends. Now I've gotta clean up the mess I've made in here. Good morning. Nearly all packed. Just gotta add the last minute things into the bags. And that's that, y'all. That is how I pack for my cruise ship contract. 2 big bags, carry-on, and a backpack. And we're ready to roll. We're leaving in about an hour to go to Tampa. So stay tuned for more adventures. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!